everyone, welcome to the very first episode of our DSA series, where we will simplify the coding and problem solving for complete beginners. I am Pooja Singh, and in this today's video, I will tell you about the real basics, that what are the programmings and how to think like a problem solver, and how you can create the flowcharts that can make the logic crystal clear. So let's get dive into it. So first of all, if I talk about what is programming? So, programming is nothing but telling a computer what to do in a language that it understands. Think it like giving instructions, okay? So, just like we tell someone that how to make Maggi. So, during cooking the Maggi, we need some steps like taking water, then boiling it, then putting Maggi inside it, then spices, and at end Maggi gets ready, right? So, it includes different steps. So, same here, we tell the computer what step to follow to solve any task or any problem. So suppose if you want the computer to add two numbers A and B. So what you do? You can do your code something like this, or you can create a program in such a way that it can take two input first of all. Then there will be a function which will add these A plus B, and then it will give the answer or output, I can say, right? So there are three steps included to solve this program or this problem, right? So that's the basic idea behind every big program. Even the app you use daily, like you are using the YouTube. So you open your mobile or the laptop, and then you come to the YouTube, and then you search for the video which you want to watch or you want to see. And at end, you watch it and then you close it, right? So there are also some steps included. So that's how we call it the programming, as telling the steps to the computer in any language which it can understand and to perform the task with it. So if I tell you that what are the languages that computer knows, like right now we know the Hindi, English, and some many more other languages. So computer also knows some languages like JavaScript, Python, C++, Ruby, and there are so many other also. So now, guys, this is all about the programming. Now I want to move to the problem solving. So let's talk about what is problem solving. Problem solving in DSA is like a breaking the big task into the smaller steps. For example, there is your friend and his birthday is coming, but you forgot to purchase a gift for that person. So what can you do? You will be think something another, any another thing that in place of this, what you can do to give some present to that person, right? So you will go online gift, and there will be some stuff will included, like you will decide your budget first of all, then you will pick up website and you will search for that particular item, and then you will choose the best one, and at end you will place the order, and that's how you can purchase a gift for your friend, right? Let me give you one more example for the problem solving, that how problem solving is done, like how you can solve a particular problem. So suppose we have this bulb and the switch, right? And there will be some step will include, right? First of all, you will come to the switch and you will on it and you will check bulb is on or not. There can be the possible way bulb is not started, right? So what you will do, you will check that my switch is plugged in properly or not. So if it is plugged in, you will go for the another thing, that yeah, it is plugged in. Now bulb will should work. But if it is not plugged in properly, you will plug in first and then you will go for the bulb on, right? And then there is another step can be based on the bulb, right? Like either bulb will on again or not. So there can be two possibility again. If it is on, that's mean bulb is working properly and now it is on. There can be the another possibility that bulb is not on, and there can be the problem that that bulb got fused, right? So if it got fused, so you need to replace it out, right? You will replace the bulb with another one. And that's how there are two problems included and you solve the two problems. Like first one, if switched is plugged in properly or not. And there is another problem like bulb is working or not. And if both things are working properly, that means at end bulb can switch on. Like you, that means you solved the one problem. Let's move for the how we can create the flow chart of any particular problem, right? Flow chart. So flow chart is a visual representation of your logic. It's help you to plan before you code. So there are the some symbols which is included during the flow chart. Whenever we will start making the flow chart, there will be some steps or some symbols will be included. So all will represent start or the end. And in the same place, if we are using rectangle, so that means it represents the process. And parallelogram, it represents that particular step we need to take the input from the user or either we need to give the output to the user. And if there will be, we will see any diamond type of stuff, that time we can call it as a decision making process. It can include any particular decision, like if else part. If this thing is working, so do this thing. If this is not working, so do something else. So that's how flowchart include these symbols. So now let me give you an example as here we saw the bulb and the switch case, right? So it can include these flowchart. Like first of all, there is a rectangle type of stuff in which we are seeing that lamp doesn't work. When we switched on it, so lamp doesn't work. That means now this is the step where we need to make any decision. So we will check lump is plugged in properly or not. So if it is not plugged in, so we will plug it out first and then we will go for the another step. And then there will be another step that bulb blunt out or fused out. So we will replace the bulb either or we can repair the bulb and at end we can see that bulb is switched on. So this is the all about the flow chart. That flow chart makes your brain clear before you even touch the keyboard, right? Like right now, during the coding also, you will see any particular problem. First of all, you must makes your brain clear before you even touch the keyboard. It's a creating a map before you start your journey, right? Now, let me tell you how to approach any problem also. So there can be 5 steps included during solving a problem, and these are those steps. Like first of all, understand the problem clearly and write down the examples also. Right? You saw the problem, write down the examples also, and then break down into the steps. Like when we solve the problem of the bulb also, it includes the 5 step, right? So same here during solving the problem, break down into some steps and then draw the flow chart, right? Because flowcharts help you very much in understanding the properly. Like if there will be a very big problem, that time flowchart can be one better option for you. Understand betterly any particular problem, and then convert those all steps which is written in a flowchart or any text format, and then convert into the code, and that's how it can work. And thanks for watching. Until the next video is coming, keep learning and keep exploring with me.